Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced strong coffee with Caf-Lib with chicory. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes from this metal bowl into this mug. Then after that, you open up the Caf-Lib with chicory container and you put 1 spoon into this mug, even the water. And then after that, you get the percolator of coffee and you pour half a percolator of strong coffee into the mug. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced coffee, which is iced strong coffee with Caf-Lib with chicory. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching.